Hello, welcome back to the 3 Hour News Show. Now, you are watching our signature segment, See the Stories. As you might have known already, today, May the 2nd, every year on this day, we commemorate National Education Day.
So Indonesians commemorate the National Education Day every May the 2nd. It was initiated in remembrance of the education hero Ki Hajar Dewantara or Ki Hajar Dewantoro, who founded the Taman Siswa education system.
Ki Hajar Dewantara's educational philosophy, called Tutwuri Handayani, states that we can guide and teach others to help them learn. This is very important because it shows how much the government values education in the country.
So if I'm not mistaken, in the full principle of Ki Hajar Dewantara, it's not Tuturi Handayani at all, but it starts with Ingarso Sing Tulodo, Ing Madyo Mangunkarso, Tuturi Handayani. Like you put at the front, in the middle, and also from the behind. So, and in commemoration of National Education Day, our very own Akasa Viandri recently had the chance to interview a viral music teacher from Medan, Indonesia, who applies a fun way to learning in his class. So let's have a look.
Welcome back to the 3 Hour News Show, and you're still watching our signature segment, See the Stories. Every 2nd May, we celebrate the Indonesian National Education Day, and today we have the viral music teacher Tri Adinata from Medan, who will share his experience both as the teacher and also the content creator.
Ingat kau sudah sampai sejauh ini, maafkanlah saja bila itu bisa membuat kembali bersinar dan berpindah seperti dulu kala.
Hi, Mastri. Yes, what should I call you? Because I heard that your students used to call you sir. So should I call you sir?
Yes, Sir Tri Adinata.
Okay, thank you for taking the time to do this interview, and you know that we are currently celebrating Indonesian National Education Day. So tell us your story of becoming a music teacher.
Okay, hello everyone. Happy National Education Day for all of us. Becoming a teacher has been my dream since I was a kid. I was inspired by my mother and my sister because they received so much love from their students. I also want to take part to educate the national children's as a form of my dedication to the country.
Well, as a teacher, you know that you meet a variety of students with diverse personalities. Some of them are teachers' favorite, while the others are, what can I say, like quite challenging to handle. So, in your opinion, what is the best way to handle students?
In my opinion, the best way to deal with students at this time is with a heart-to-heart approach. Because currently that is the best way to handle all students' problems. Touch their heart to make them feel comfortable. I might be strict sometimes, but still I do it for the sake of the students.
You're famous as a teacher with a fun teaching style. So, how are your students' responses? Are there any complaints, or do they just adore the way you teach?
Okay, currently my students really like my subject. Their guitars are much more expensive than mine. I can say that they really appreciate my subject so far.
Let's talk about education. So most people are academic oriented. They place academics first rather than exploring their talents. Do you agree with this as a teacher?
I disagree because all children are born with their own talents. They might be talented in sport, art, mathematics, science, and so on. And they are all intelligent children. who were born with various talents that they have, and hopefully they can strive for their talent to become a profession when they grow up, so that they can live their lives full of happiness, like what I'm living now, a hobby that has become a job.
Well, yes, I couldn't agree more. You're the living proof that someone can pursue their passion and turn it into a career. Well, so tell me, what kind of teacher are you?
I really love my students and I want them to be successful. And the most important thing is they become young people who have good character and are religious.
Okay, so character is also as important as knowledge. I got it, okay. So as both teacher and content creator, what are your goals that you want to deliver to followers or viewers on your platform?
I just want to record the teaching learning activity in class so that it will be a good memory for my students when they grow up. So one thing for sure is that I always provide positive content on social media.
By the way, some of your videos went viral, right? From, if I'm not mistaken, it's from Codaline and then Alan Walker and many more featured in your videos. So tell me, what's your response? How do you feel with your videos?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy, especially when I receive a positive response from Codaline, Alan Walker, Maroon 5, Tunes and I, Andy Grammer, Maher Zain, Westlife, and many more. Rosa, and many more. Attention from world musicians can show how Indonesian young generation has extraordinary musical talents, and the world can see it through my video. I want to thank Mr. Anas Alimi, who gave me long life tickets to watch concert as a form of his appreciation for me. He is one of the music promoter in Indonesia who has invited many world musicians to have concert in Indonesia.
Well, you mentioned a lot of famous musicians. Well, I'm so happy that they recognize your contents, really. But I wonder that, is there any Indonesian cultural content you want to make in the future?
Yeah, I have created Indonesian culture content. For example, I teach angklung to my students, and you can check it on my social media. I also combine traditional musical instrument with modern music.
Well, I would love to see it. I also heard that you created a song named Profile of Pancasila Students. Is it right? I wonder if you can play the song for us before we end this interview.
Raih mimpimu juga cita-cita generasi emas Indonesia. Profil pelajar Pancasila tanamkan di dalam dada. Profil pelajar Pancasila cerdas berkarakter itu kita.
Original song by me, Profil Pelajar Pancasila. You can listen to it on the Ministry of Education and Culture YouTube. Perbedaan bukan suatu halangan untuk kita saling bergandeng tangan. Nekat Tunggal Ika, semboyan negeri kita yang harus kita jaga bersama. Profil pelajar Pancasila tanamkan di dalam dada. Profil pelajar Pancasila cerdas berkarakter itu kita. Beriman dan bertakwa pada Tuhan yang Maha Esa, berakhlak mulia, berkebinekaan global kita, gotong royong, berjiwa mandiri, berpikir kreatif dan bernalar kritis. Hai generasi muda, tunjukkan pada dunia Indonesia bisa.
Wow, that is a fantastic song, really. Your voice moved me. Thank you so much, Tri, for your time. Yes, I would love to see more of your content in the future, and please keep on inspiring others with your teaching methods. Bye. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye.